Draw the round body and pointy nose. Add the first row of spikes. Add a second row of spikes. Add the eye, nose, and a smile. Add 4 little feet. Finish with an apple on its back. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!